Good morning, guys. Welcome to Carson's Unlimited Repair.
I am back. The technician.
Yes. So today I'll be doing a review on the A13, as you can see here. So we'll be looking at the Samsung Galaxy A13. The A13. Yes. This one has Infinity V display, quad camera, and fingerprint. It comes in 3 storage, 32, 64, and 128. 4 colors: white, black, peach, and blue, which is my personal favorite. Yes, guys, in addition to that, the phone was released on December the 3rd, 2021, and the LTE feature was added on March 4, 2022. It has 3 camera, a flash, and extra zoom right there. At a reasonable price, and we can also throw in a little discount right there for you. Yes, guys. So guys, don't miss out on this amazing phone, the Galaxy A13. Because why not? Why not stop by and get yourself a Galaxy A13?